Reality is simply the loss of the false I. Destroy the false I by seeking its identity. Because the false I is no entity, it will automatically vanish, and reality will shine forth by itself. In this quote, Ramana points out that reality shines forth when the false I is removed. Ramana is actually making two interrelated points here. One, when the false I is present, reality is hidden. And two, when the false I is absent, reality is revealed. This perfectly captures the experience of what I refer to as full enlightenment. Full enlightenment is already here. It is what all of this is. But full enlightenment is not visible to the false I. The false I can't see what all of this really is. When the false I falls away, however, reality becomes visible. The one reality, which is what you, the world, and all things are, is automatically and effortlessly seen.